How to find export chat settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find export chat settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in top corner and then click settings, this one here. After you click these 3 points you will see it, just click on it and here you will find this one, chat. Click on it and now you need to find this one. Scroll down until you find the chat history and click on it, and here you will find it, export chat. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.